So we just arrived to Betsy and I have to tell you, it is beautiful. Like everything you see online, they parlay that into their physical store. It's beautiful, it's lovely, it feels like it's on brand. I am here to talk with business, specifically this business owner, because I want to understand why was I attracted to their business in the first place? How are they selling on social media? And how long does it take to actually convert a follower into a customer? So we're gonna dig deep, we're gonna have a little bit of fun.
I am Betsy Cross. I am the co-owner, founder, and designer of Betsy and Aya. We are in the Betsy and Aya production studio in Portland, Oregon. I want people to feel like they belong. If there's one simple thing I could say, that's what it would be. That they walk in and they feel like they have a place in our shop. They feel welcome, embrace you, you know? And so that feeling is something that I want people to experience and for it to be real.
Yeah, I'm Laurie and I'm the marketing coordinator for Betsy and Aya. When you're connecting to your audience, you want to provide something reliable that they know they can come back to, so they know we're consistent in our products. Like, we're always going to have cool, fun products that Betsy comes up with. We're going to be posting about them. We're going to be excited about it. Like, they know they can trust us because we're not trying to sell to them. We're trying to show them. It can really depend how long someone follows us before they make a purchase. Some people have been following us for months and months and months. And I would say definitely a couple months is probably the average. But we do have some people who come into the shop and they're like, I saw this ring on Instagram, where is it? I want it now. So it really ranges. Advice for other small business owners, I think, is authenticity is what we're obsessed with. So be yourself. Don't try to be like a cookie cutter, like perfect account. What we find is that people respond best when when Betsy's gushing about something, or when we post something we think is funny or cool, and it's more fun for us too. So I think really just following your passion and what you're selling or providing.
When they walk out of the store, I want them to say, you can't miss this place. You have to go see this place. It's a beautiful shop. I don't know what it is, but I felt so good.
So what was the thing that I discovered after having multiple conversations with the owners of Betsy and Aya? Is that it takes about 3 months for somebody following them on social media to actually get into the store. For them, they've actually come to realize that they don't depend on social media for the sale. They depend on social media for awareness. That's gonna be the key. So everything that I've been saying is, oh, play the long game. Oh, be sure to connect. Is like, what they said was that authenticity and connectivity and consistency and connecting with people in real time in a way that they are seen, known, and heard doesn't lead to the sale. It leads to humanizing their brand. And once they've humanized their brand, then and only then will they get people to walk into the door. And I am talking to a business owner who is very well branded, who has an established business, who has a physical location, and they themselves are saying, listen, social media has been a game changer for us because we're able to connect with people, but it isn't the thing that drives our sales. I heard that and my jaw hit the floor, because now I can confidently tell other business owners that yes, social media can lead to sales, but what does it really lead to? Awareness. The ability for somebody to present their business online again and again and again and give multiple points of content. It is the point of contact that actually leads people to the website or leads people to getting them in the door. So if that's the one thing that you take away from, it's the one thing that I take away from. I'm not depending on social media for sales, and I hope you're not either. I hope that you're depending on social media to create real deep connections with people who care about your business so that over time you build awareness and ultimately get the sale that you desire.